Okay, this video will show you how to import a scanned file and vectorize it using Adobe Illustrator and Fusion 360. So first of all, right click on a PDF that you've scanned in and open with Adobe Illustrator. Okay, now first you need to left click on the actual scanned image, go to Object, go to Rasterize. What that does is converts the PDF into a picture, an artwork. Right, now it's rasterized. What we need to do now is go to Object, then click on Image Trace and choose Make and Expand. Click on OK. What we now need to do is click and just drag it over a little bit to just ensure that we have vectorized the picture. Now go to Object and click Ungroup. Now click off the square here and click on the actual gasket itself, and then press Ctrl X to cut. And this is a cleanup step that'll help you get rid of all these duplicate layers and so forth. Press Ctrl A to select all the other messy objects left behind. Press Delete on the keyboard, and now press Ctrl V to bring back the clean vectorized gasket. Now click on File, Save As, and choose SVG and click Save. I've already got one here, but I'll save over the top of it just to show you. Okay, now you can close Illustrator, clear the clipboard, open up Fusion 360, and on a fresh new drawing you can go to either File, New, click on Insert and choose Insert SVG. You just need to use this little file picker to find the file, click on the SVG file, click Open. First of all, you've got to choose a plane to locate the SVG on. Just click on a plane, and it should be dimensionally accurate at this point in time from the scan to the CAD program. So we can click on OK, and we can click Finish Sketch. What we now can do is extrude the gasket by just choosing it like so and giving it a thickness of anything you like, really. 1 mil will do. Click on OK. So we have a clean 3D CAD file now that we can work with. If I wanted to output this to a DXF, you right click on the sketch here, Save as DXF. So you could then save, and you could send that DXF file to a laser cutter to get it cut, or you could even do that within this software by post-processing and generating a G-code file for the appropriate machine that you want to cut it on. And that's it.